Hey everyone, welcome back to iCloud Go. If your iPhone is stuck on the activation lock screen, especially after buying a second-hand device, you're not alone. Without the previous owner's Apple ID, this screen can feel like a dead end, and many people don't know where to start. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple and effective way to remove activation lock using a computer with no jailbreak required and no help from the original owner. I'll be demonstrating the process on macOS, and the entire method takes just 3 straightforward steps. Step 1. Launch 4UKey and connect your iPhone. First, download 4UKey via the link in the video description. Complete the installation and launch it. Now, connect your iPhone to your Mac using the original cable. Step 2. Enter DFU mode and remove activation lock. On 4UKey, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock, then click Start. You can review the disclaimer and then click Next. 4UKey will retrieve your device's activation information and place it into recovery mode. Next, you'll need to put the iPhone into DFU mode. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. Click Start. Quickly press and hold volume down and side button. After 5 seconds, release the side button. Keep holding volume down until the countdown finishes. Once DFU mode is detected, 4UKey will immediately begin removing the activation lock. For best results, close Finder, iTunes, and other device-related apps while 4UKey is running. This avoids connection conflicts on macOS. Step 3. Set up your iPhone after removal. After the process completes, your iPhone will automatically restart. When it turns back on, you'll see that the activation lock screen is gone. The device proceeds directly to the home screen. After the restart, Wi-Fi network functionality may be temporarily limited. Simply go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. Reset network settings to restore normal connectivity. That's it. This is the 3-step method to remove iPhone activation lock using a Mac powered by 4UKey. If this Mac tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to iCloud Go for more macOS-based Apple unlocking guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.